Hi, welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. We're back again to talk to you about how we can help you give some advice on your selecting the right partner for your acquiring part of the whole jigsaw puzzle in the payment ecosystem. So, previous session we spoke about the different parts of the transaction. Now we're focusing on the acquirer and the questions that you guys can ask to understand if they're the right partner for you. So, as an acquirer, as I've said, they're a member of Visa or MasterCard or various card schemes to enable you to process those transactions for the card schemes. So what else do? They should be talking to you about the various aspects of your business and help you grow and expand your e-com or mobile site. And they can help you by offering other services to enable you to trade around the world. So where do we start? There's various questions that we can talk about, but I think one of the most important things is these guys, the acquirers, will be linked up to gateways. So you will be selecting in the future a gateway partner that represents you and your brand and the cashier onto your website. So find out what gateway partners that these guys work with, and do they work with the one that you're thinking of working with in the future. The acquirer can offer you some consultancy on fraud and chargeback management. So ask them what services they can offer with regards to 3D Secure, which is a Visa and MasterCard service which mitigates fraud and chargebacks. And again, they can give you more information, and also your gateway partner can as well. They can help you as well with your PCI and your data security. And obviously an important thing for all of us, because you as the merchant will be interacting with consumers around the world, ask them what their customer service is like. Is it open 24/7? Are they located in different countries? How does that work? Maybe look on Trustpilot for some information. They can also automate services for you via APIs, and those services are key when you're interacting with your consumers. For chargeback management, reporting and reconciliation, and also importantly for payouts and refunds as well, because you will get consumers coming to your merchant site and they will want to do some refunds for goods and services that you've sold. So ask them about the services they offer on the payouts and refunds as well. I referenced earlier on around the currencies. This is very important. A typical acquirer can enable you and your merchant store to interact with the consumers with card transactions at a local level in a local currency. So typically, some acquirers can offer you 160 currencies to accept the card transactions in, and also settle the transactions to your bank account in various currencies. So I'll ask those guys what currencies they can accept transactions in and also settle transactions in. And then finally, a couple of areas as well. Some of your consumers will be repeat consumers. So what services can the acquirer give you for subscriptions and reoccurring transactions? And then finally, some other alternative payment methods the acquirer should be able to offer you, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. So I hope that's helped you. Some of the questions, some of the advice that you need to consider when you're choosing an acquirer and helping you to trade online. I hope that's helped. Thank you.